Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Godzilla, and he's going to be in a very weird pose. He's going to be like kind of ready, and you're going to see what I mean. It's a very different pose for him. Step by step for beginners. Let's get started right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go around and draw Godzilla in a very interesting pose. He's going to be kind of doing like a superhero pose where he's like got his hand down. Let's do it, okay? We're going to start over here with his head. And right here I'm going to draw kind of a flat head, down, out, and then down over here for his snout. Okay? Going to pull back over here, pull down. Going to go back from his snout down here. So he's going to have kind of low face to the floor. And you're going to see what I mean. And I'm going to go over here, grab his arm, out, down, go over here on this side, out, down, line, 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 finger, curve right here. Obviously it's a very different Godzilla pose. Normally he's just standing upright, kind of like, let me grab my Shin Godzilla figure like that. He's normally like that, but like I said, he's kind of bent over in this kind of interesting pose. Line up over here. He's chunky. He's gonna have his leg over here on this side, down, pulling down. Line over here, and you're gonna see his feet right there on that side, and then line over here. Through the bending of his leg. His back is going to go over here, and you're going to see kind of a swoop of his tail. So, let's draw his other foot first. Down. Curve over here, up. Out over here. Out over here. And we're going to have his feet there. Line over here. Spike, spike, spike. Spike over here. And we're going to have his other hand on this side. So he's kind of doing like this superhero pose. Line over here. Line over here. A very, very different pose for Godzilla. Thumb, finger. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. And now I'm going to go over here to kind of his back. He's going to have all these spikes on his back. So one way to do that is to just kind of dig in, right? Let's go over here and draw like a little bit more vertical. Over here. Here. Okay, we got his spikes on his back right there, and now we're going to carry through the tail. So right here, I'm going to go right here, bam, kind of like Ninja Godzilla, right? So he's got his tail over here on this side, and we're going to go over here, curve it down. Excuse me. I have a little bit of a cough. Don't forget to hit the like button. It's a very ambitious pose. Definitely hit the like if you like Godzilla. I'm going to put a lot more stuff here from Godzilla because I noticed it's a fan favorite on the channel. Go check out the Godzilla playlist. Definitely check out the stuff in the description. There's a free ebook in there on drawing cute stuff, and there's a ton of different resources. There's Skillshare. You can learn how to draw basics of drawing. Lots of cool stuff. I want to thank you very much so far. So let's go over here. We're going to draw a kind of the ridges over here of that, and then we're going to go over here and draw some more spikes kind of selectively on the tail. right there. There you go. Just gotta throw in those spikes along the tail to give it some texture. And let's go into the face of Godzilla right here. I'm gonna go in right there. It's gonna give him that angry eye that he has. Line over here for the nose. Mouth. And I'm gonna draw spikes coming down from his mouth. Kind of give him that kind of that look. Maybe back of the line right here, and I am just kind of finding the chest here. Just finding the chest. Gonna go over here, find the individual like nails right here for the foot. Same thing over here for the actual hand. Everything is just kind of like detailed now. We're going in and we're kind of going in and looking at this stuff, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna find the edges of this spike, right? And maybe like, you know, connect it to the body a little bit more. I'm gonna put little spikes along next to, you know, the big spikes, right? Just to kind of give it some more flavoring, some more stuff right there. Give it a little bit more flair, a little more realism. But as you can tell, like I said, this is a very strange pose for Godzilla. Any Godzilla, right? But give me some ideas for a Godzilla pose, by the way, if you're hearing me at this point. Like, write it in the comment section. I'm very easy to communicate with, so definitely hit me up. And I can hear your version of what's going on. But yeah, definitely let me know. It's awesome to kind of hear your guys' voices, your opinions, and everything in between. If you want to send your art to me, you can do that. I think you can always send it to omegaman20@gmail.com. If you want your art featured, I'm going to start doing something like that on the channel. I'm probably going to start featuring art pretty soon. But the first things first, I'm going to start changing the channel name. I'm going to start changing. Ooh, also I forgot. You can throw some lines like so to kind of indicate spikes. Indicate scales. We're just kind of loosely doing it in kind of like large areas. But definitely follow that there. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing, and definitely reach out to me. You know, hold on. We can do something back here behind the ear. Can always throw a little bit more detail into his face, but it's not totally necessary. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Please reach out to me. I want you to say hi right now. Try me. Try saying hi in an old video and see if I say hi back. That's gonna be wild. I have to find it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.